Hello, the lock I have for you today is a multi-lock 7x7. It's the lowest security multi-lock they make. It's 7 pins. There's no pin-in pins, they're just standard. Brand new lock, works perfectly. This is the bitting. We'll see if we can't get into this. I'm going to be using a flat flag out of my Dimple tool set. We'll see if we can't get into this. That was 1, 4, 6 gave me a little click, 7, and that drops into a slight false set. Three was binding, but now he's not setting. I don't want to overset him. That was 2, and I dropped into a really deep false set now. That was 6. That was 1, and I lost the false set. Two, and touched 3, and it opened. Okay, you see it's open, and I do have a key. I'm just going to lock it up. Need Phillips. These locks give a pretty distinct feedback on the pins. It's no real mystery. They bind in a pretty distinct order. Okay. I think there's no, that's just a drill out. Okay, let's dump these. Come on now. One is standard. These are really in there. I'm going to try going 7 first. That was 6. That was 7. 5. 4. 3 and 2. It's the 7-pin core. There's no side pins or anything like that. We can get these all straight for you. Okay, and for the good stuff. Have a spool. Have another spool. Another. Another spool. It's interesting, I really wasn't feeling that much feedback. I think these might be all spools. Okay. 1 through 6 are spools, and number 7 is the standard. I'll give you a close-up on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3 are standard key pins. 4, let me back this out and I'll show you. 4 has this, it's like a upside down mushroom pin for the key pin. It's really interesting. And then the rest of them are standard key pins. Okay, that's all I have for you on the Multi-Lock 7x7. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you did, and remember, the more you practice, the better you will get. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.